Hello, welcome to yet another episode of Smart Talks. Today we'll be doing a continued version of a previous episode that is about visas. A lot and different types of visas are here, and this is me, Hiba, and beautiful co-host with me, Amrita.
Thank you, Hiba. Hi, everyone. I'm so excited to start this brand new episode. Without further delay, let's move on to the video.
Yes, so there are different types of visas available in UAE, and the most common and very well familiar to all are the tourist/visit visa. So, what is a tourist visa? From the name itself is very understandable. That is a visa that is purely used for tourist purposes. It is valid for 30 to 60 days, and we can use it for visiting families, friends, our parents, anyone.
And those who secure a job in UAE, you will get 2 years of employment visa, which is sponsored by your employer.
Yes, and another one is a long-term residency golden visa,
Yes,
which everybody is
familiar.
exactly. And we've done a detailed video about it on the previous episode. So if you haven't watched it, go and watch it. Do not miss that episode.
Yeah, and that is a fantastic option for those who are planning to settle down in UAE. And the other one is the student's visa, which is sponsored by the universities. So if you're a student under any university, you'll get a student's visa.
Exactly. Yes, and another one is a family visa, which is actually sponsored by spouse, parents, or children. Okay, any of your family members who's having a valid residency
But
over here.
siblings cannot sponsor.
Exactly. And it is also valid for 2 years, as I previously mentioned. And another thing is that if you have a bank balance or a minimum salary requirements, you can also sponsor your maid as well.
And let's not forget the freelance visa. This is specifically for the individuals who want to work in a specific sector. So it depends upon the free zone, the terms and condition and the charges may vary, but this is completely for the individual.
And yes, if you're just passing by UAE, there is another option of transit visas, which is valid from 24 or 48 or 96, depending on your stay basis. And yes, this can be easily obtained by any travel agencies or airlines, or it may be provided by your along with your tickets as well.
Yeah, that's right. And the other one is the partner visa or the investor visa who is owning a company in UAE.
And yes, if you're 55 years or older, there is another option of retirement visas, which is valid for 5 years. And there are some criteria that you need to meet, which is have a bank balance of 1
1
million
million or property worth of 1 million. And there is one more visa which is based on the property. If you have property worth of 75k, you are eligible to get 2 years visa.
Yes. Now with these, now you might have understood the different categories of visas available in UAE, and also for all these categories, the requirements are almost actually the same. We need a properly scanned photo, a properly scanned passport copy, which would be valid for at least
6
minimum
months.
of 6 months. Yes, exactly. And always plan ahead before your journey, and then have a proper itinerary and plans and everything, so that you can enjoy your trip very beautifully.
By this, we hope this topic is very much clear to you. If you have any more doubt, do let me know in the comments or reach out to us directly.
So thank you for tuning in, everyone, and we'll meet with the next episode. Stay informed and take care. Thank you.
Thank you.